But let's bring on board our analysts and experts for today. We have CA Rudramurthy joining in with us, as well as Naresh Mirani also joining in with us. Very good afternoon, gentlemen. Thank you so much, as always, for joining in with us on Closing Trades. And Rudra, I'm going to start with you, right? When you talk about the markets today, also look at how it has been, right? We've seen a bit of a flip-flopiness that has been continuing. What is it that you would see in terms of the benchmark indices, at least to start with? Where are we headed on that note?
See, first of all, a word on Nifty. I feel Nifty is definitely in a good uptrend and it is a buy on every dip. However, my view on Bank Nifty is completely different because private banks are not supporting. However, PSU banks are still very, very strong. So someone, if you are an index trader, I would recommend you to be long on Nifty, buy every dip. And in terms of banks, be only in PSU banks, stocks like SBI, even Canara Bank offers a very good risk reward even to enter at current level or the dips what you have seen today. I still feel PSU banks will be better than private bank and Nifty will be a better bet. Reliance is also strongly supporting the index. So I feel Reliance is a stock which can head towards levels closer to 3,000 and even SBI is a very, very strong stock. Even in today's PSU dip, SBI was holding very, very strong. SBI is also headed towards 750, 780 zone. So be very stock specific in this market. When it comes to index, long on Nifty, Bank Nifty avoid, and specifically in banks, be long on PSU banks where I like SBI and Canara Bank.
That's a word coming in from Rudra. Naresh, what's your view then? That's we got Rudra's views coming in on the benchmark indices as well as what to do with Nifty Bank. But broader markets, what should one do there? How should one take position in that particular arena, given the fact that we've actually seen a sharp correction? But do you think this is just the start of correction or is just an aberration?
So it is too early to call a correction in the mid-cap, small-cap indices. They've already gone up. Say the Nifty did not make a new high about 22,100, but the small-cap index was up 3 to 5% above those similar highs. So a little bit of a correction there is normal. And we are seeing some normalcy coming in. The Nifty is positive. The small-cap index, which was outperforming, is normalizing. But the pain point remains in the banking space. The reason being, it's a very top-heavy index as well as in the Nifty. So in the Nifty, you have 35%, 32 to 35% banking and financials. And then in the Bank Nifty, if you go in, you have 30, 35% in HDFC Bank. So overall, HDFC Bank, ICICI, Kotak, if all these names do not perform, how do we expect a sharper move? So in that sense, index looks pretty range-bound, 21,500, 600 on the downside, 22,100 on the upside. We take a fresh view in terms of momentum, at least one when, apart from Reliance, any other heavyweight starts giving us support. As of now, we are not seeing that.
Okay, yes, not seeing much support coming in from the heavyweights. And Naresh rightly said, if these big banks don't perform, then how will that pull up the banks under the Bank Nifty as well? But on that note, let's just slip into a very short break, viewers. Don't go anywhere.